There's a ton of moving companies out there, so how do you know which ones are any good? There's a few things to look out for when you're shopping around. First, what are their qualifications? Movers should have a proper license with the U.S. Department of Transportation. Ask to see their U.S. DOT number or MC number to ensure that this is the case. It's also vital to see positive, verified reviews from real customers, so you can rest assured you're not walking into a ripoff. How do they calculate their prices? They should have a pretty detailed metric, usually based on things like shipping distance, shipping weight, time of year, and hourly labor costs. But there may be potential fees in addition to all that, so make sure they're not sneaking in an upcharge over something you can't control. It's important to see which companies can offer binding estimates. These are estimates that can't be changed later, or that can't exceed a certain agreed-upon limit. It's always worthwhile to check for discounts too. You may qualify for one if you're military, a senior, a AAA member, or if you're just booking on the off-season. Get an estimate for your moving time as well. Depending on your needs and the distance of the move, this could range anywhere from a couple of hours to around a week. If multiple days are involved, see if you can get a timeline guarantee and ask if they include the ability for you to track their progress. Make sure they can provide the specific service you need. Do they offer just loading and unloading? Will they bring their own truck? Can they help pack as well? Can they provide temporary storage? Not every company has all options, so be specific. And finally, check the cancellation policy. Even the best laid plans get interrupted sometimes. You'll need to know what to expect in the worst case scenario. If this all seems like a lot, there's one way to make it much easier. HireAHelper.com provides a list of local, vetted companies you can filter by your exact needs to make moving day a breeze. Check it out in the link below. If you want to know the real cost of renting a U-Haul, check out our other video. And if this was helpful, give it a like and follow for more moving advice.